In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily integrate Salesforce and Asana with automated two-way updates. 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing into Asana. Head to the Asana login page, enter your work email, click continue, and then enter your password to log in. If your organization uses single sign-on, just follow your usual company sign-in flow. Once you're on your Asana home, open the specific project where you want Salesforce connected. This is important because the Salesforce integration is added at the project level, not across your entire workspace. Inside the project, look to the top right and open the Customize panel. In that panel, find the Apps section and choose to add a new app. From the list of available integrations, select Salesforce. When the Salesforce app page opens, click Add to Project to attach it to this Asana project. Next, connect your Salesforce account, choose Connect to Salesforce, and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be taken through a secure authorization flow where you sign into Salesforce and approve the permissions requested by Asana. If you're working in a test environment, you can connect to a Salesforce sandbox here. Otherwise, proceed with production. If you don't have the required permissions in Salesforce or Asana, you might need an admin to complete this part. After the connection is successful, the Salesforce app appears in your project's apps area. From here, the integration enables two-way updates, helping keep your sales data and project work in sync. In practice, this means you can link Salesforce records, such as accounts, opportunities, leads, or cases, to Asana tasks and see key details without switching tabs. When configured, updates made on one side can surface on the other, so task progress and record context stay aligned. The exact fields and behaviors available may vary based on your plan and admin settings. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Choose the project that actually owns the work tied to your Salesforce records, so your team sees the updates where they matter. If you don't see Salesforce in the apps list, confirm you're in the correct project, and check that the Salesforce app is allowed by your admin. And remember, linking records doesn't expose sensitive credentials, only the data you authorize during setup. That's it. You've signed into Asana, opened your project, added the Salesforce app, connected your account, and completed the guided setup. Your Salesforce and Asana are now integrated with automated two-way updates, so your team can stay coordinated with less manual work.